Say hello, there's a ducky. Whoa, so many of them. Many of the ducks.
Here comes the big ducks. Come here, Zyla.
Zyla,
get out of the parking lot. Come on.
come here. Hello. Oh, there's a ducky. Tinky, ting. Oh, they're feeding the ducks. Come here,
You gotta break
baby.
it apart.
Zyla, it's feeding the ducks. The seagulls are eating it.
You too big? Too big? There you go.
Ah, that's why Zyla doesn't want to go, because he's just wearing his their special
Just stay still, babe.
Here's a duck here and a duck there. Oh my goodness. There's a duck here and a duck there. Look. Say hello. I'm gonna take a video of the duck. Ducky. Oh no, it's a seagull. Oh no, that's the one that's hurt. Hello.
You want one, Zyla?
And this one is over there.
Oh no, don't throw it there.
Like slowly and slowly. You wanna go a little bit there? Hold on. Hello. Hi. Oh, she got one.
Too big? There you go.
See this one? Let's go to check this one. Come on. See this one there? That's this one. Wow, look at that swanee.
Hi, careful.
Careful, Kai. Ah. Now the seagulls are eating it. Oh, ducky. You want more?
You have to give them small bites.
Let's go to the other side, Daddy. Oh, kakak. Okay, kakak. Small lah. You know, you cut it small. You cut it into small. You see, small ma.
Where's the swans at? Swans must be small. The swans are way over there swimming, I think.
That's okay, Daddy. I'm gonna go.
There's more quacks down there.
This is big.
There's more quacks there.
Yeah, there. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Mga pato, mga pato, mga pato. Dagan kayo pato. Hi, Zayla. Oh, no, wag na.